push this down. This is your Nestle's soft and chewy chocolate chip dough, and we put a ton of Pam on the bottom, and you're just gonna press this all down into your pan. Really get in there. All right, now that you've got that even, you're going to just get a new bowl and put this to the side for a second. Just let that set in. And we are going in with our favorite chewy fudge Dunkin' brownie mix. Here we go. All right, and instead of following the traditional method of cooking, we are going to make it super fun and add some Starbucks Frappuccino mocha.
What?
Yeah, it's gonna be so good. So half a cup of this right in. Then you are going to use some oil, but not as much. You're gonna use 2/3. You don't need the water because that's what that's for. So we're cutting everything.
1/3.
There we go. 2 eggs. So kind of like the traditional, but with some mocha. It's gonna be amazing. And just whisk that up. All right, this chewy brownie fudge mix is ready to go. So we are going to pull back our cookie pan and just layer this right on top. All right, grab my spatula and get all that brownie mix out, and then we are just going to smooth it out, and it is going into the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. All right, perfectly even. Now we are going to take this brookie right into the oven, and again, 350. All right, this smells so good. It is bubbling hot. We are just gonna let this cool now. Okay, this is still warm, but cooled for sure. Going in with some original whipped topping. Absolutely our favorite. This is gonna be so delicious. You can use ice cream, but we really like whipped topping on this. It just sets better. It's so good. Use all of it and spread it around. Yeah, just set it right on top. So light and fluffy. All right, last little bit. Absolutely perfect. It kind of just really melts into it. Gonna take some caramel syrup. We love this Hershey syrup. And just drizzle this on for that final touch. This is the best brookie you've ever had. One more down the other way, just for good measure. All right. We love this warm. You can definitely let it cool or take it with you, but I love it warm. It's my favorite. Let's get into it. Lift this up. Yeah. Oh, look at the ooey gooey cookie brookie. Yes. So good. Oh my God, this smells like heaven. It's like a Pizookie brookie. Yes.
Wow.
I should have used a bowl. Mmm. This is the stuff heaven's made of. Wow. So good. Mmm.